Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing blinkybot.com. But before we get into the details, since I can't review every product that you guys send me, I created a guide that teaches you how to do this research yourself. So you can check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So right here, I have it opened up here on their website. So as you can see, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a bot that can be manually controlled by your phone or an app. So for example, you're living far away from your partner or your wife or girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever. Basically, they can use this robot and with the app, and basically they can see you from the camera on the bot, and you can actually respond to them. There's actually a mic, and there is also a speaker on the robot. You can actually also hear what they're saying. So basically, they're with you, gives you the feel of them being with you, and you can see what they see, and they can also see what you see. So if you're wondering if this is actually legit, which is very expensive, they also have this open source on Trustpilot. So let's see some reviews here. So as you can see, scam from labeling another company's product their own, fake ownership claims, they're reselling products from another company, do not buy from them, fake selling products. So just from that alone, there's another one of these robots that are being sold that are just pretty popular, and basically they're just buying from them and they're just reselling it and claiming it as their own. So please do not support these scammers. Go ahead and support the real ones. You can just do some research and search up the real ones from Google. And that is basically it, guys. Do not buy from them. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.